Welcome to the What Really Happens When You Heat This Food quiz. These questions will trick you if you're not careful, so think before you answer. When butter is heated for a long time while cooking, what happens next? It turns into brown butter. What happens if chocolate is melted directly on high flame? It turns thick and grainy. Why does milk suddenly overflow while boiling? Steam gets trapped under a layer. Bread becomes crispy in a toaster because surface browning happens. When making caramel, sugar first. Melts into liquid. What happens if dry rice is heated in a pan? It burns. Why does cheese stretch when hot? Proteins loosen. Heating honey makes it. More fluid. Why does popcorn pop? Water turns to steam inside. Overheated popcorn will burn. What happens if you microwave a whole egg? It bursts. Pasta cooked without enough water will stick and burn. Heating ice cream slightly turns it into liquid. Salt heated in cooking. Stays mostly the same. What happens when cucumbers are stir-fried? They become soft and watery. Overheated cooking oil can catch fire. Garlic cooked too long becomes bitter. Why do onions taste sweeter when cooked slowly? Natural sugars develop. Cooking tomatoes improves flavor because flavor concentrates. Toast left too long becomes burnt. Roasting peanuts mainly. Enhances aroma. Lightly roasted almonds. Release oils. Marshmallows puff because air inside expands. Warm jam spreads easily because it becomes thinner. Yogurt heated in curry may. Curdle. Overheated cream will. Separate. Boiled potatoes soften because starch breaks down. Frozen vegetables when cooked. Soften. Reheating pizza mainly. Melts cheese again. Dry noodles on heat will. Burn. Heating vinegar. Evaporates faster. Lemon juice in hot food becomes less sour. Spices in hot oil. Release more flavor. Flour roasted alone. Turns nutty brown. Cake batter in oven. Becomes cake. Sugar syrup thickens because water evaporates. Coconut oil melts because low melting fat. Fried bananas taste sweeter because sugar is more noticeable. Baked apples soften because fibers break down. Grilled fish flakes because proteins change. Chicken becomes firm because proteins tighten. Browning meat happens due to surface reaction. Eggs solidify because proteins set. Boiling water creates steam because molecules move faster. Ice in hot soup will melt quickly. Tea aroma increases because heat releases compounds. Coffee smells stronger when hot because aroma releases faster. Cocoa in hot milk. Mixes. Jaggery melts because sugar softens. Overcooked paneer becomes chewy because proteins tighten. That was tricky, wasn't it? Comment your score and challenge your friends.